In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor module in this BMW X5. It's going to be located underneath the dash on the passenger side. Let's get into it. There's a wing nut over here. I'm just going to take that off. Just twist it to the left and pull that out. There should be another one right there. This vehicle is missing. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, take this screw out. Take that out. This panel can come down, and same with this one. Now you have a connector for the light under here. You want to disconnect that. Slide that off, and you can take this panel, move it out of the way. On the side here, we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this screw out. Take that out. Grab this panel and pull it to the side. You just pop it out. Pull that out completely. There is a connector on the back side. Disconnect that connector. And you're gonna reach right up here near the firewall. There's a connector. Disconnect the connector. There's a couple tabs on the sides. Push the tabs in. Pull the connector out. I have to wiggle that back and forth. There we go. Disconnect the connector. At the base of where the module is, there's a clip. You want to push down on the clip. And then just grab the module and it comes right out. There it is. Take the new module. Get the wires out of your way. You're going to slip this in the same way it came out. Get it lined up. Push it in. Make sure it locks in place. There we go. That clipped in. Then take the connector. Line the connector up. And clip the connector in. That's good. Take the connector for the side panel. Connect that. And get it lined up. And just push it in place all the way down. Snap it in. Take the screw. Get that started. Screw it in. That's good. Now connect the connector for the light underneath this panel. Lock that in place. And we'll get this lined up. There we go. And take the screw. Get that started. You can tighten that down. Snug that down. And if you have the other wing nut, you want to install that right there. Tighten that down. And we'll put this one in over here. Tighten that down. And then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.